Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the impressive features of the TENSSENX GPS drone with 4K UHD camera. This drone is equipped with a 4K ultra-clear camera featuring a 120-degree wide-angle lens and a 90-degree adjustable view, ensuring you capture stunning, high-resolution shots every time. Thanks to its built-in shock absorption holder and 5 GHz FPV transmission, you can enjoy smooth and stable videos even in high-speed or windy conditions. With GPS-assisted flight, the drone automatically returns home when it loses signal, goes out of range, or runs low on power, giving you peace of mind during your creative flights. The package includes 2 intelligent batteries, offering a remarkable 60 minutes of flight time and a long control range of up to 3,280 feet. Designed with convenience in mind, the foldable fuselage and carrying case make it perfect for outdoor adventures, and its lightweight design means no FAI registration is needed. Plus, with intelligent features like Follow Me, path tracing, and gesture control for photos and videos, this drone promises a crystal clear and brilliant flight experience for both beginners and seasoned pilots alike. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.